Hello guys, I am Vin.
I'm Van.
And this is...
Sabina!
Oh, Daddy. Today is her third birthday. And we are going to open your gifts.
Your gift.
To her. So, are you excited?
Are you excited to open your gift?
Okay,
let's start
open.
here. Who's
Happiest birthday, Sabina.
from?
From Ate Ellie and...
Ali and Ate Brielle.
Ah.
Briella.
Let's
Wow,
open.
are you excited? Inuna niya to kasi ang laki daw. Ano, what's inside kaya? Oy!
Ikaw open.
Wow!
Angel
A playset!
Tiffany.
Wow! Another cooking set.
Wow.
Are you happy? You say thank you, Ate Ali.
Say thank you.
And Brielle.
Get one more.
More naman, more.
Later. This one. Let's open.
Let's open it. She wants to see what's inside. Are you sitting up here? Wow! Grabe naman yun. Ang haba ng sigaw. You sit down. Wow!
Okay.
Up
Wow.
Wow! Sigaw
Get,
ng sigaw, oh.
get pa tayo. Get more
Get
gift.
more gifts. She wants to play agad. Wow! Ay, talagang pinakita eh, oh. Ang ganda.
Lovely.
Ang ganda. Mas madami. Let's open more. You want to open this? Ay, gusto na maglaro. Agad. Careful ka naman, ha?
Other gift pa. Open tayo. This one
Oh,
is
that's from
Happy Birthday, Sabina, from Tito Miko.
Tito Miko. Wait.
Look at this, oh. Wow.
Wow.
What's this?
Lagayan ng ano.
What your
Ganda.
toys
Like,
here?
ay, lagayan ng ipit niya. Ganda. Thank you. Ay, okay.
Okay.
Ganda.
Open them.
Let's open more. This is from Happy third birthday, Sabina from Kuya Hunter. Yung mami ni Ina. Mami niya si Ina. Oh, look what's inside. What's inside kaya? Open it, please. Wow! A dress! Oh,
Wow.
another princess dress.
What color is that? What color is
Oh.
that? Pretty or flower? Ay, butterfly.
Butterfly! Ay, ano na siya dun sa laruan. Ang ganda. Balik ko na lang.
Pretty.
Para malaman ko. Saan yung ano ni Tito Miko? Yung box niya.
Dito, dito.
Ibalik ko muna para
Let's open another gift. What's this? This one. From
Jeyo!
Kaidi and Jeo.
From-
Happy birthday, Sabina. From Kaidi.
KD and Jeo.
And
Let's
Jeo.
open it. Oh, you can
Oh.
open this, oh. Sige, hila. Kulit mo.
Ta-da!
Nasa Shopee pa ata.
Wow!
Wow! A bunny!
Pink one. What's
Parang
that?
ipit.
What's that?
Ang ganda.
Okay.
Box pa lang. Thank you, Jeyo and KD and Tito Jessa. Ilig nga. Ala, ang ganda. Terno to na.
Oh, first day.
What? Sabi, look. A Barbie! O yan yung gusto ko sa Shopee. Ako ata matutuwa dyan eh. Ang ganda.
Wow.
Ganyan pala siya.
Meron siya here.
Nakikita ko yan sa Shopee. Ang ganda eh.
Wow.
Ang ganda pala niya.
Here have socks, oh.
Balik natin.
One more.
Ay.
Happy birthday, Sabina, from Tita Crystal.
Wow!
Ganda ng
balot
balot.
pa lang ha. Ang ganda.
Look at this, oh.
Ang balot.
Ooh. You like it?
Wow!
Wow!
Love ba yan?
Fun!
Excuse. Ang ganda. Fun ba siya? O lamp?
Fun.
Si Stitch. Ang ganda.
Mm.
Oh! Social.
Oh.
You have fun.
How up?
Dito, fun mo siya. Wala siyang, tayuan.
Pretty. One more.
Lagyan mo muna din. Para hindi masira.
Happy birthday, Sabina, from Ethan
Ay, si
Efrain.
Ay, si Ethan. Let's open it from Kuya Ethan. Oops. Oops, dikit na dikit. What's inside? Wow! Oh!
What's that?
Aba!
Aba!
Ang cute! May name ata, oh. May name.
May pangalan, Sabina.
Sabina. May bago kang baglat. Oh,
Look,
ang
oh.
cute.
Sabina.
Oy,
Oo,
where are
ay
glasses?
glasses siya.
Ayan, bag. Uy, sukat na sukat. More? Okay.
More. This one.
Balik muna natin. Saka ko ayun.
Dito. Happy birthday to our cutest little adventurer. Enjoy your jungle party and have the best
Sino?
birthday ever.
Wow.
Love, Ninang Tin!
Yay! Umuwi pa yan si Ninang Tin, ha? For
Oo,
you.
from Manila.
Love na love siya niyan eh.
Look.
Look what's inside.
Wow!
Wow! Ano
A
yan?
Barbie!
Barbie! Ano yung jacket? Ay, mahal yan na.
Hindi natin ito mabili-bili eh.
Grabe naman si Nina.
Si Nina ang nakabili sa'yo.
Oo.
Wow!
Wow!
Wait.
Parang tayo na to ah.
Oh, look, oh.
Na-busy siya sa toys. Oh, can you wear it?
Lamig siya.
Yummy.
Yeah, ganda.
Ganda.
Lagay natin dito.
Happy birthday sa Nina from Ninang Feby. Oh, let's open mo na your gift. Come. Open mo. Ikaw open.
Ikaw. Look at the
Okay.
camera.
See. Where is the baby?
What's that?
You have Barbie!
Wow! Barbie again! With makeup. Dami shoes.
Ang daming shoes.
And a dress. More.
Ang ganda.
Ito. Walang name. From, secret admirer.
Teka, parang naalala ko yan.
Ay, may name sa loob. Happy to Sabina Apo, happy birthday. I love you. From Nona.
Kay Nola pala. One hindi na sulatan.
Nasa loob. Look at this.
Oh. Wow!
What's that? Ay, may bago ka madama. Kailangan mo yan. Malit na yung mga damit niya.
Teka, busy
Sabi
siya sa
na eh,
Barbie.
kaya hindi bibili eh, kasi may magre-regalo.
Ng damit. Ano ba itong anak ko? Pinapabukas agad. Oh,
This one.
excited ka ha?
To Sabina from Liam Jan Gonzalez.
Ay, si Liam.
Ah. Wow!
Yung mami niya yung manager sa Jollibee.
Oo, ay yung si ano.
Si Ate Ana.
Look, oh.
Wow!
Wow!
Ano siya?
Sulat.
Color, susulatan.
Oo, yan. A,
Ay,
B, C.
ayun! Yay! Ay,
Yung ano
Buti may
to, yung
nagbigay.
pen. Yung
wala siyang kasama.
Yung
Meron
pen
naman
na
siya
ano,
doon.
washable.
Oo, meron siya.
Meron sa loob bata. Meron.
Sabi ko na.
Nasa
Lagyan
loob.
mo na doon. Para alam ko siya.
From Liam.
Saan yung Barbie niya? Ay, gamit lang siya. May Barbie ka naman dyan eh.
Let's see. I'm playing. Yeah. Continue. Come here, oh. Hindi ka
Isa-isa mo
nakita.
na yung play natin.
So,
Isa-isa.
Arding Sabina from Kuya Seki.
Kuya Seki, nag-abala pa si Kuya.
Open it, open it.
Open it. Can you open it? Try mo yun para ma-enjoy ko.
Ito.
Show it to the camera. Ay!
Wow! Oh, what?
Watch! You have a new watch. Lagay dito.
You wanna wear it? This one. Happy birthday, Sabina. From Timothy and Mariel. Timothy and
Open mo.
Mariel. This
Di ba
one.
you want to open gifts, di ba?
Open this one. Oh.
Ha?
Open
You want
it.
to open gifts?
Open.
Mamaya tayo play, mag-o-open lang tayo.
Okay.
Wow! There's the
Ah,
naman. Ang cute!
Oh,
Ang
may
cute!
pandable pa.
Parang mami yung pang-tuway. Ang cute! Wala na naman siyang jumper eh. Ito hindi
Pink.
kasha.
This one. Pink one? Happy third birthday, Sabina, from Ninang Jenali.
Yay! Ito si Mari nagtatanong ng size to eh.
Dress to dress.
Feeling ko din.
Look, Sabina, oh. Naglaro na.
Ayaw mo na. O, dito ka lang. O. Eat mo siya. Wow! Ang
Wow.
ganda na naman.
Look. Look, what's inside? Wow!
Wow! A
Wow!
dress!
Princess!
Princess!
Flower, oh, flower. Wow! More pa, more!
Wow, ang dami naman.
Wow, pajama! May pantulog ka na naman.
Ay, may Barbie pa. Look, oh.
A real Barbie.
Barbie! More Barbie!
And Ify. What's this?
Ang dami.
Melody of Melody.
Ang daming gift ni Ninang.
Melody.
Ang ganda.
This one. Sabina, happy third birthday. God bless you.
O, ihi ka lang.
From
Ito yun.
Sister Prosy and Pastor Richard. Open it.
Okay na.
Ihi ka.
Wow!
Wow! Oh, wow!
Ay, basa.
Ihi ka?
I-stop mo muna.
Stop. And we're back.
We're back.
So, we're gonna
What's
give
that?
walang name.
Sino yan?
What's this?
Sino nagbigay niyan? Baka yung
Ito. Happy birthday, Sabina Afro. From Nono.
Ay, no.
Nono!
Ganda. Ulan yan, ulan.
Wow!
Lalagay mo dito. Dito yan. Pag nasa biyahe ka.
Pagkoko.
Pag koko. Koko, ikaw?
To Sabina, happy birthday from Kuya Sam.
Lagay mo dito.
Kuya Sam!
Kuya Sam.
Wow!
What?
Look at this. What's that?
Ano siya? Card. Educational.
Ibi!
Ang
Oh,
ganda.
pretty ipit.
Wah! Maipit pa ikaw.
Oh.
Nice.
More.
More. Ito. To Sabina from Ate Fiona. Oh, gift ni Ate Fiona. And Kuya CJ.
Look at this. What's it?
Wow! Address. Oh!
Wow!
Yung pinapangarap kong dress.
Pretty!
Yung nakikita kong maganda. Thank you, Ate Fiona. Tita Clarky. From, to Sabina. Inside. Wow! A bunny!
Oh, bunny!
You have a new bunny! Hop, little bunny!
This is
Hop,
a
hop, hop.
Daddy Bunny!
Bunny.
You have Mommy Bunny, Baby Bunny.
Bunny and
Daddy
Daddy Bunny! Hop, little bunny! Hop, hop, hop.
Ah, this one. Oh, no.
Ay, no, Yan.
To Sabina from Kuya Prince kay Ryan.
Kuya Prince! Ha? Doble.
What's this? The kids bento box.
Yay! Yay! Bento box!
Kailangan mo to.
Yeah! Buti hindi pa tayo bumili.
Look. What?
Yay!
A strawberry. Watermelon.
Kailangan
cherry,
niya yun
apple.
eh.
Eat.
Wow!
This one.
Happy birthday, Sabina Sayden sa Aquino. Yung classmate niya?
Oh.
Ito yung classmate niya si
Yeah.
Sayden.
What's this, Sabine? Sabina, oh, look.
What?
Wow.
Barbie! Oh,
Wow.
mahal yun oh.
Barbie. Wow.
Wow, ang ganda!
Kikay.
Ikay. Look,
This,
oh. Naku, ang mahal nito.
this one. Eh, dami ito ah. Kanino to?
At saan ito nakalagay?
To Sabina. From Lola Dory. Lola Dory. Ang daming gift. Ang dami.
Ito kay Ate Anya.
Ang daming gift ni Lola Dory, oh.
Gusto ko yung ano niya.
Wow!
Wow! Doctor!
Doctor! And...
You're a doctor na naman!
Duck,
Ang ganda.
oh.
Uy, duck!
Chicken.
Nadagdagan yung doctor set niya.
Dumami yung doctor set mo, ha?
Lalagyan ko na siya ng lalagyan. Ilagay ko muna dito. Oh, yan na. Ito lang. Oh, this one. Ate Anya.
Open it.
Sabihin, oh.
Look, Ate
This is from
Anya.
Ate Anya. To
This is
Sabina,
Ate
happy
Anya.
birthday from Ate Anya.
Ate Anya.
Oh?
Wow!
Mary! May wings.
And a flower.
Ang cute.
You have wings, oh. You
Oh,
want?
Jess. Nice.
Look. Hey. Hey, princess.
Parang yung hawak nilang star dati. May wand pa.
Ah. Put your ano.
Put your wings.
Wings.
Later.
Later.
Later muna.
Busy doctor.
This is doctor.
The doctor is busy. This one. To Sabine, happy 3rd birthday from John and Ninang Ella.
Sino?
Ninang Ella.
Ako yan.
Ay.
Sino ng Ella yan? Oh, ayan na. Wow, ganda. Sabihin.
Look ah.
Wow! What's this?
Una.
Oh, you can sleep.
May ano pa. Hood.
Parang hood. Uy, magandang
May
unan
hood.
to.
Sa Manila yun binili.
Ang
Stitch.
ganda.
Oh. Tighten
Meron,
down.
ano yung isang stitch? Ay, kay ano, Kristen? Next.
This one. Roar.
Roar. Happy birthday, Sabina. Ninang Tin!
Ninang Tin.
Christy? Sino?
Dalawa yung ninang tin niya.
Sino doon? Sino yun, Be?
Ninang.
Dalawa gift niya? Si
Oo.
Ninang?
Dalawa.
Oh.
Wow!
Ang ganda. Thank you, Ninang Tin. Grabe. Love na love ka ni Ninang. Tit.
Tit.
It's a tit.
Oh. Yeah, nasa taas na. This one. To Sabina, happy 3rd birthday from Bella.
Bella.
Okay. Inhale.
Ito yung mahirap. Kasi ano pa siya.
Exhale. Inhale.
You're a doctor.
Exhale. Matagal pa mag-open.
Ibigay mo naman sa akin yung ganito.
Mahirap.
Bigyan mo ako madali dyan. Ah! Ito na. Ay, Jess! Wow, terno! Nadagdagan na naman ang damit natin, Matt.
Yummy. This one. To Sabina from JC.
Ito sa'yo, Daddy. Mahirap. Sino
Buka
si
mo.
JC?
Si JC. Classmate niya.
Ah, oo nga.
Oh, what's that?
Ay, oo, naalala ko to. Yung unang dumating. Wow! Ang dami yung unan, sabihin.
To Sabina from Ashford, Alex and Alonso.
Wow! Next na si Alonso.
Ah!
Ah!
Barbie! Alam nila, Barbie girl ka. ah. Look, oh.
Wow! Ang ganda!
Oh.
Ang ganda. Ako to. Sino to? Pa. Si Clyde. Ah, yung isa.
Oo.
Si
Classmate.
classmate. Tatlo sila yun eh, na classmate.
Nandun lahat.
Ano lahat?
Oh.
Walang ata.
Wala ba?
Walang isa.
Wala.
Walang isa. Alam ko yun yung isa.
Uy! Gusto niya to. Gusto niya to.
Favorite ko na! Oh, makeup! Favorite! She's so
Favorite niya
excited.
to.
Itago ko yung ano.
Naman po. Happy birthday, Sabina, from Jean Arzola!
Ay, kay ano, mami.
Kay mami, okay.
Wow, Mickey Mouse! Favorite!
Happy birthday, Sabina, from Johan! Hey, kay
Kay
Johan!
Kay Mare.
Ah, kay Jerica. Wow!
Wow! Favorite niya! May clay!
Your favorite! Ang daming ano. Ang pinit.
Favorite niya yan, arte-arte.
Favorite niya to. Ang pinit ka.
Na-excite na.
Last one. From mommy and daddy.
Meron pa.
Yung mga ano, ampaw.
Madami, 3, 4.
Yan.
From Kylen Levin and Kuya Kian.
Happy birthday, Sabina,
Yay,
from
thank you.
Tita Dayan.
Tita Dayan.
Ah.
May pera na naman si Mami. Char. Ninong Ryan.
Eto,
Yay.
walang name.
Kay Will siguro
Kay
yan.
Ninong Wilfred.
Ni Wilfred.
One, two,
Magmamadali.
And one more. To Sabina, from Nathan Tobera.
Yay! Last na. Oh, let's open it. Wow!
Wow! A Kuromi!
Kuromi!
And that's it. Please like,
Comment
share,
and subscribe.
and don't forget to love God,
And love one another.
spread love,
Not war.
peace. Bye.